Are you struggling to put on your Apple Watch Sport Band? Does it keep falling off or feel loose? In this video, I'll show you how to wear it securely and comfortably. Plus, stick around to the end and I'll show you how to wear it for better heart rate monitoring during exercise. So let's break it down for you into 4 easy to follow steps. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your band matches the configuration that I have here. You want the button and the large hole on the top, and you want all of these small holes on the bottom. If that's not the case, flip it over, push these buttons, and slide out the bands to make them match the configuration we have here. All right, so for step 1, place the watch on the wrist that you want to put it on. Step 2, use your middle finger to grab that large hole and pull it towards your other fingers. Step 3, use your thumb and your index finger to find the hole that you want to snap it to, and then push it in to snap that button into the hole. And then step 4, you're going to take this excess band and you're going to tuck it into this hole like that. That will keep everything in place. If you wear it like this, it's not going to fall off. It's going to be very secure. You can't just rip it off, and it's not going to fall and shatter your screen. So those are the 4 steps to put it on. If you need to resize this strap, you can do it while you're running or walking around. It's super easy. So for a more secure fit during exercise, if you want to get good heart rate measurements, you are going to want to make this a little bit snugger. So to do that, you're going to pull it apart. You're going to put your finger, your middle finger there, and then you're going to just pull it 1 notch tighter and then retuck the band, pushing it in. It's going to be a snugger fit, so it's going to take a little bit more effort to get that band to go in all the way. And when you do that, you'll get better heart rate measurements. And that's it. Now you know how to put on your Apple Watch Sport Band so that it's secure and ready to go. If this was helpful, hit the like button. And if you're still struggling, no worries. Let me walk through that process one more time with you so that you can figure out how to put this on. So I'm going to pull here to pull it apart and unsnap it, and we'll start from the beginning. So take that watch, put it on your wrist, grab that middle large hole on the top, and you're going to find the hole that you want to snap it into with your thumb and your index finger, and you're going to push it in. Once you do that, you take the tail and you stick it in the large hole and then push that down. Once you've done that, you can test it to make sure that it's going to fit and it's going to stay there. So that's how to wear the Apple Watch Sport Band. I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the like button if this was helpful, and I will see you in another video. Thanks so much for watching.